Today is the continuation of the series where I attempt to consolidate all of my various units into one warehouse. It's been held up by various disasters, including not least getting shingles, but the end is in sight in terms of getting the second unit emptied. There's one more to go after this, plus the contents of my house, which is slowly being done as well. So yeah, today's plan is just to finish off emptying the last of this unit. I keep finding random stuff like that lying around just when I think I've got everything out. I think I've got two more things to go into the van, and the rest is just empty boxes and rubbish to be taken to the tip. This racking is broken, so it's going to the tip. So yeah, I'm just going to go through and get rid of it. Yeah, there's that light there and that there, both need to go. Might leave the light actually for Mother taking her car, but I'm going to put this in the van now. Okay, so the only things left in here that are coming out are paintings, Costco boxes, tubs, whatever you want to call them, that lamp. The rest of this stuff is pretty much fit for the bin. That's extension cable there, that'll come with me. But yeah, now begins Operation Cleanup. So we've got a car full of cardboard. It is time to go to the tip. Second load of cardboard in the van. In the car. Let's review what we've got left to do. All of this has got to be cleaned up. That stuff on the racking's got to be put in a box and taken home. The racking's got to be taken to the tip. Those paintings and those pictures and everything needs to come home. That needs to be taken apart and taken to the tip. That plastic crate will go to the tip. That's cardboard I'm saving. Plastic tubs, obviously I'm saving. These buckled shelves and those buckled shelves got to go to the tip. So I think a couple more tip runs and it should be done. And I've just spotted a bit piece of cardboard there, so I'm going to deal with that now. All this metal now going into the tip. So, progress update. The unit is nearly empty. We're going to bring the van, put those tubs in it. We've kept a few spare parts for the shelving. I had hoped that I would be able to, out of the racks that were left, get enough parts together to rebuild at least one or two, but they were all just too bent and buckled, so they've all gone to the tip. It occurred to me I've never given you a tour properly of this unit, so here we are. This is a 600 square foot unit, double door. I actually used to do all my listing, shipping and everything from here until I filled it. Bit of space there. Here we have got toilet facilities, and in here is the main unit itself, 600 square foot of storage, which was absolutely rammed to the rafters. There was talk about putting a mezzanine level on there at one point, but decided against that in the end and just got another unit instead to put unlisted stock in. But yeah, it's been a good home for the business. It was really cheap. It was like 365 quid a month, so it's done me proud over the last few years. Got it in 2020 I think, so I've had it for about 2020, maybe 2021 I got it. I think it's 2021 I got it. So I've had it for about 3 years, but yeah, time to move on to bigger and better things now. So, at last, the old unit is now empty. 600 square foot, done. Yeah, that took a lot of effort, a lot of trips, but finally sorted. But a good home, it will be a good home for somebody else as well. I'll turn the camera around for the wrap up. Okay, so still looking rough from the shingles. That's probably going to scar, but anyway, it is what it is. Yeah, unit is no more. There's only one more unit to empty left now, and the contents of my house. I don't know what's happening in my house, Beaver, at the minute. There's a lot of stress going on around there at the minute. The buyer gazundered me, just as we're due to sort of exchange. I said no to that. I said I'm not taking a lower offer, I'd rather put it back on the market. So yeah, it's a bit awkward at the minute, a lot of stress going on. But anyway, at least one more job is done. Keys to this unit going back tomorrow. And then there's just the 400 square foot unit, which is pretty rammed. I was hoping to put a lot of stuff from that unit into my new house, because there's an entire floor, an attic conversion, that would accommodate everything from that unit. But it may have to go into the warehouse now, which is going to make things a bit tight, a bit cramped, but there is just about room to get everything in. Anyway, thank you so much for watching. If you made it this far in the video, comment electric down below, because I do like a random comment to show the people who watched it. Don't forget to hit the like button on your way out, and I will see you on the next video. Bye for now.